The MK402 bookshelf speakers have helped to reshape what we think affordable should sound like. Today, the MK442 will do the same for center channel speakers. A simple and underrated way to take your home audio to the next level is to add a center channel to your system. The MK442 is a stylish way to achieve just that. With two 4-inch drivers and a 3/4-inch tweeter, it will deliver natural sound and excellent sonic detail in frequencies all the way down to 60 Hz. A removable grill gives you the option to keep the look subtle or show off your sound system to all your friends. Fill your room with warmth and clarity by picking up the Dayton Audio MK442 center channel speaker right here at partsexpress.com.